Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm at the DZ booth in Las Vegas. That's right, I'm at the SEMA show. You know how much I love the SEMA show? I go here every year. I've been going here many years, and I do it for one reason only. I want to find the new products for us. That's right, my customers and myself too, because a lot of stuff goes on my own truck. Now, I'm here with Jeff, and Jeff has a really good cover here. I'm going to pass the mic since it is new, and Jeff is a lot more knowledgeable than I am. You right, Jeff?
Sounds good. Thank you very much. We have our new cover that's going to be coming out here very soon. We're just now beginning to get some production in place, and it is a nice new cover. It is all two-piece, solid. We have the ability to open it, and then you have quick disconnect shocks if you need to fold the cover all the way forward. Otherwise, you can just keep it as it is.
That's really cool.
Yes, it's very nice. They've done some really nice things with it, with our accessories on top. We have a patent pending on our brackets here that will pivot and slide so that you will not have to remove anything that you have on top. So it's another very nice feature to it. It has 4 clamps up in the front underneath on the cover so that you would have the nice and firm grip on the bed rail. And it's easy and moves nice. The shocks slide nice and smooth up and down for yourself. So it's a nice new product. It's a nice new product that we're coming out with. We're very excited with it. We've got a lot of people that are interested in it, and we're very excited, like I said, to get it back out onto the market.
Well, I tell you, Jeff, I don't know why, but I just think this is darn cool. I was like, when you open it, I'm like, oh, you can't open it. You have all this stuff on it. And then Jeff's like, oh, yeah? Do-do-do. And I'm like, wow. I know how hard it is to work. It might not seem like that big a deal, but this is what I do for a living. It is a big deal.
Yes, it is.
That's why they got a patent pending, because they don't want anyone else to come up with this good ideas.
That's right.
So this thing, it's hard to tell in the video, but this stuff is like a tank. I mean, it's so strong, and I tell you, when you touch and feel it, you can see the quality of the product. Now, I'm a DZ dealer. I've been a DZ dealer for years now, and I love their product. Like, I'm over at the show, and there's 1,000 vendors here. I don't do videos with everyone. I only do the videos of the companies I've dealt with, and unless it's a brand new product that I like to do. But this right here, I love DZ products. They're great, and I think that I can't wait when I get back to Florida, because they're just now coming out. So hopefully I'll be able to sell one and do a video of this in front of my store, which I like to do. Again, I'm here at the SEMA show at the DZ booth with Jeff, and Jeff was kind enough to take time and show us the brand new product. And what's the name of this again?
It is our Guardian Diamond cover.
Okay, got that, guys? Thanks again. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Thank you.